Everybody knows how to make paper planes. You all have your favourite design. Here's a design that was shown to me by a little friend of mine, Detlef. This is how he said you make the best paper planes. You start with a piece of rectangular paper like so, and you fold it over like this, and then another fold gives you the point, which is the front of the plane, and you just watch very carefully and see if you can remember how to make this particular Detlef design. And it's ready to fly. Let's see how it goes. Now, of course, one problem with any sort of paper plane that you make is when you launch it, you're never quite sure how it's going to fly. And sometimes they come back towards you, other times they go in that direction, other times in that direction. You can't be sure. What the world really needs is an automatic, spring-loaded paper plane launcher, and you can make your own using just these simple things from the backyard. A block of wood, 2 nails, and also a mouse trap, either new or used. Now, the first thing you'll need to do with the mouse trap is to remove parts of it. The little straight piece of wire at the back isn't needed for this, so with a pair of pliers, pull out the little pin that holds it in, take that away. And then the piece that holds the cheese, also grab that with the pliers and pull it out. That'll leave you with mainly the spring part and the wooden base. Then on your large block of wood, you simply place it up like that, put the mouse trap over one edge of the block and take one of your nails and gently hammer it in. And to make sure it doesn't swivel around, a second nail on the other side of the mouse trap. There it is. Next, you take a drinking straw and with a pair of scissors, cut a deep V in this end, like so, and then the same thing in the other end of the straw, another deep V. And believe it or not, you now have completed your paper plane launcher. All you need to do is to hook one of those V's through the loop of the mouse trap like that, and all you need to do is pull it back, and that spring will give the force to your paper plane launcher. Now, if you want to be fancy, you can get out the paint and the little paper stars and all sorts of other things and decorate your paper plane launcher so that it looks something like this. There it is, that's the launch pad. Now, to attach the paper plane, all you do is to place the V nick in this end of the straw into part of the paper plane. Now, it'll work not only with this design, but just about any design. There it is, it's sitting there, ready to be launched. And then you pull it back, and the advantage of this system is that you can be absolutely sure that every time you give the plane the same force, which is very difficult to do just throwing it by hand. This one measures the force because you pull the spring back to the base and let it go, and I know because the way I've adjusted the flaps that this paper plane, with absolute certainty, will give us a loop-the-loop. Watch this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And there it is, a perfect loop. You try it.
I want to know.